Mr. Lumer Pajarillo, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army. Let's start with jersey number 4, Miss Leona Denise Santiago. At number 5, Private First Class, Mary Jean Balse. Wearing jersey number 8, our best attacker for this conference, Private First Class, Jovelyn Gonzaga. At number 13, Miss Rachel Ann Dakis. Wearing jersey number 14, Private Nerissa Bautista. Their team captain is Corporal Cristina Salak. Libero number 15, Miss Christine Agno. Head coach, Sergeant Rico de Guzman. Calling on our Cagayan Valley Lady Rising Suns. Jersey number 4, Maria Paulina Soriano. At number 9, Janine Marciano. Guest player with jersey number 11, Jack Amporn. At number 14, guest player, Pachari Toy Sangmuang. At number 17, our best server for this conference, Chi Saet. And our best scorer and MVP of the conference, number 8, Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Libero, our conference's best receiver, Sheila Marie Pineda. Head coach, Mr. Ernesto Pamilar. Watch out for the flying volleyballs coming your way. Catch one and take it home.
Ayan, namigay na po ng volleyballs dito po sa San Juan Arena, San Juan City. Game number 1 of the finals between Cagayan Valley Lady Rising Suns kontra dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. At bago lahat, tingin mo magbabago pa ito?
Well, mukhang swerte ka today.
Update natin yan.
Fact remains, top 2 pa rin kayo ni Noreen. It has been like that.
So may tiebreaker. May tiebreaker pa dapat na magaganap dito. Maybe it could be this game. Again, hashtag, it's for the fans.
We all love it, of course.
Kinalkula ko na wala na kayong habol magkapatid eh. Maximum nyo na is 5 eh. Pero pag naka-5 ka, ibig sabihin, isa doon akin.
Oo. Kasi meron at meron tayong...
dapat may ganun tayong competition parati. Sabi na nga ni Chef, doon na lang tayo kumain sa isang restaurant na malapit dito. Ang gusto ko, Tagaytay.
Okay lang.
Gonzaga trying to get the first point as the finals are underway dito po sa ating women's division. Rachel Andakis, dug up there by Sangmuang. Long rally kagad na sumalubog sa atin. Aiza Maizo Pontillas, dug up there by Tinagno. Salak going to Gonzaga. Mahabang rally, buhay pa rin. They go to Janine Marciano. Tinagno once again. Tina Salak, quick set for Dintin Santiago. And the first point belongs to the Lady Troopers.
Indeed, an exciting start dito sa first set. Habang rally agad nun.
Habang rally, bahala sila. Gusto nilang ganyan.
No,
tapos 5 sets. So, papayat kayo lahat dyan. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tina Salak. Ayan, from the longest point of the match to the shortest point. Service error. 1-all. Here's Chi Saet. Ngayon. Of course, maganda serve percentages ni Chi Saet. Dakis on the reception. Here's Salak now, sending it back to Rachel. Rachel, nahanap yung linya at napangiti na lang doon si Chi Saet. Si Rachel, first set, second set lang naglalaro yan, tapos ipapahinga na siya ng mahaba, no?
Pero yun nga, yung kagandahan din dito sa lineup ng Philippine Army, malalim yung paghuhugutan mo talaga na players. So,
papalit sa'yo, Joan Bunag lang naman.
Diba? Parang so the luxury of Coach Rico to really replace and switch his lineup, nandun talaga.
And that will be a backliner. Ito si Chi Saet, so it's illegal block. So 3-1 para dito sa kumpanan ng Philippine Army. Meron ka pa Mina Agano na nakatago dyan, di ba? Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Dindin Santiago. Sharp serve. Nandun naman si Sangmuang. Amporn on the push. Salak. Sinagip na lang ang tira dito ni Amporn. Here's Chisay sending it high for Janine Marciano. And Gonzaga sends it back. Running attack, hindi. Napunta kay Aiza Maizo.
Good play by Cagayan.
na hindi nagkaintindihan doon. Actually, doon sa open, nasira-sira yung play nila. But it looked like Amporn was going to go for the runner. Tapos biglang nakialam si Aiza. So, baba sa isang abante rito ng Philippine Army. Amporn Hiapa. Salak now, going to Balse. Dug up there by Sang Wang. Here is Aiza Maizo, blocked by Dakis. And a free ball given up by Sayed. Salak, quick step to Balse. Haba na naman ng rally. Janine Marciano, dug up, pero hindi na maabutan yan. Power strike coming from the former San Beda Lioness.
And for Cagayan, of course, you want to already show that threat against Army early on in the first set, ano?
Amporn once again to serve. Yung mga iniidolo natin dati pag pinapanood natin yung Thailand.
Oo, yan talaga.
Gonzaga misses. Puntos naman para ulit sa Cagayan Valley. So sunod-sunod ito. This is 3 straight points for the Rising Suns. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Amporn. Daming fans dito ng Cagayan Valley present at the arena. Quick set to Balse from Salak.
Great play. Nagmamadali rin itong Philippine Army. Look at that set.
Tama yung punto rito ni Coach Rico eh. Pag maganda ang first ball nila, lamang sila.
And they have a lot of options.
Oo. Now the remote control serve of Rachel Andakis. Tignan natin kung recharge na yung battery. Alam mo, nalaman ko, ba't pa tayo bibili ng disposable? Bili ka na lang sa damo na rechargeable. Diba? Mas mura pa lalabas in the long run as Pao Soriano connects. Yung nga lang, ang dami mong battery charger bigla sa bahay.
Pero okay lang.
5-4. Janine Marciano now. 21-year-old out of San Beda. To serve. Agno. Sala. Combination. Nene Bautista. Member of the national team. Ilan ba member ng national team dito na napili? Bautista, Gonzaga, Salak, Balse, and Dakis. And Dindin.
Wow.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katola gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made.
Ayan. So, practically almost everyone on the floor right now for Philippine Army.
And then Bautista sends it long. Oh, everybody except Tin Agno actually. Para naman sa Cagayan Valley, sino ba nalagay sa national team? Si Aiza lang. On the floor. Of course, sa under 23, marami pa kandidata dyan. Like Marciano, di ba? Pwede pa maglaro.
A lot of talent actually to choose from.
Maizo with a service error, tied at 6. Oh,
para sa parehong kupunan, ang ganda ng pinapakita nila sa umpisa ng first set.
Gingbal sent out to serve. Into the net, bawian lang service error.
Yan lang ang yan lang ang nagiging problema nila ngayon. A lot of service errors.
And ngayon si Pao Soriano as the Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. Pao Soriano, former captain of the Adamson University Lady Falcons. Bautista, Salak, Dindin, nakapuwersa ng isa ron. Parang lapit na sa net ng set eh.
Pero nagawan pa rin ng paraan.
Again, si Dindin, pag pumila doon sa open spiker position, very high percentage. Kaya ang dami sasabi, ano kaya, gawin na lang natin open up to si Dindin. Delayed reaction. Here is Amporn on the drop. Balse, walang pupuntahan yan and no problem for Amporn. Dikitan po itong ating laban sa first set. 8-7, Cagayan Valley up by 1. We'll be right back.
Said that before the start, sabi niya sa team sa kanila sa Lady Troopers is that although natalo nilang Lady Troopers in two games before, hindi sila dapat magpapakumpiyansa for this match. Definitely paghahandaan sila ng Lady Rising Suns. He also said na kailangan maging consistent ng kanilang reception at depensa para maka-opensa sila ng maayos. For the Lady Rising Suns, what's important is they play their game at gawin lang nila kung ano ang kanilang pinapractice sa ensayo. Kailangan hindi sila mawawala ng communication sa loob ng court at magwan silang mawawala ng kumpiyansa. Ani Noel?
Well, may kita natin dito pagdating sa patibayan ng floor defense, hindi magpapaiwan ang magkabilang upunan as Chi Sayed sends it up. Janine Marciano off the block. Bautista. Salak ngayon, tatawid, papunta kay Dakis. Nakabang naman si Chisaet. Pero puntos yan para sa Philippine Army.
Nahirapan din si Dakis, dun sa
Lapit.
set ni Salak
Oo.
na yun. Malapit at medyo mababa.
Pero still, against a much shorter Chisaet. Nagawa ng paraan ni Rachel. Tied at 8. Now, Tina Salak. Kumuha ulit na instructions sa bench before she executes her serve. Angat para kay Marciano off the block. Agno once again. Salak on the back set. Gonzaga na ilusot. Si Amporn pa yung dinaanan niya, hindi si Marciano, ha? Again, the Bionic Guapa has celebrated her 23rd birthday kamakailan lang. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tina Salak, short serve, fielded by Marciano. Amporn, blocked there by Santiago. Gonzaga sending it to Dindin na wala sa bilang ng Cagayan Valley.
That was well executed for Philippine Army. And talagang advantage ni Dindin Santiago if you take a look at this replay again. Yung reach.
Ayos ba, Guapa?
Tontuwa si Jove.
First set pa lang. First set pa lang daw. And Tina Salak once again to serve. Here's Marciano. Oh, nakuha niya yon sa kamay ni Gonzaga. So si Marciano, nung nakikita natin nung college, puro power talaga ang binibitiwan niya. Ngayon, may halong gulang na yung tira niya.
Of course, that comes with experience also over the years.
Right. Salak, try the one-handed set and that will be overreaching. Salak pala, backline na. Salak, taas lang niya. Oh, taas lang niya, kamay niya eh. Illegal back row na yun. Tumalumpa. Senol. Saet. Dakis. Here is Gonzaga. Gonzaga off the hands of Amporn. Late si Marciano.
She acknowledges.
Oh, ang lapit na niya dun eh.
Oh, at saka siya yung nasa tamang posisyon because the only one chasing the ball was Saet at siya. Siguro inasahan niyang kukunin ni Pineda.
Oh, layo ni Pineda. 11-10 Army. Dindin Santiago once again. Two-time MVP. Pineda. Inangat ni Amporn. Maizo out of position. Salak. Delayed set papunta kay Gonzaga. Grabe si Guapa, first set pa lang, oh.
And you gotta love also the combination plays and the plays that are being set on the side of Philippine Army. Dahil nakakarami na sila ng quick plays. Nagkaroon pa ng combination play na ganito.
Right. Ito naman, celebration. Mamamaustong ka mamaya eh. 12-10, first set pa lamang. Here's Dindin. Sharp serve, Pineda. Wala magawa si Saet and that's going to be a violation. Illegal block. Backliner pa rin si Saet. Parati nauhuli siya sa rotation eh, no?
Minsan kasi talaga, pag nandun ka sa malapit sa net, instinct na lang.
Hindi, ginawa ni Salak kanina. Backliner siya. Inabangan na lang yung hulog, di ba? 13-10.
So far, the biggest lead that we've had in this set.
Hirap na hirap sila sa serve ni Dindin. Marciano across. Dindin keeps it alive. Salak. Back set. Gonzaga misses. So yung hitting errors ni Jovelyn Gonzaga is allowing the Rising Suns to stay close kontra dito sa Lady Troopers. And Amporn serving. Dakis. Salak. Dakis again. Aiza Maizo, nilabanan si Dakis that time. Pau Soriano. Pero net violation daw si Pau.
And Pau.
Hindi daw si Pau, si Aiza.
Let's take a look at that again.
Actually, si Pau was able to power it down. Ayan, no?
Ayun,
sumabit si Aiza.
Nakita naman talaga.
14-11. Ako, errors para sa magkabilang upunan. Nagiging problema. Remote control time. Marciano able to field it. Back set. Aiza Maizo. Yes.
Makes up for that violation earlier. Right away.
14-12. Di kita pa rin po itong ating first set. fans ng Cagayan Valley. Talagang napakaingay dito po sa Game 1.
Full support.
Yep. Janine Marciano again. At pinanood lang ni Dindin lumabas yung bola. So if they can minimize the errors ito Cagayan Valley, alam mo non-factor pa si Sangmuang at saka si Amporn ngayon. Ha?
Oo, dahil wala pa sila masyadong naiko-contribute pa rin, ano?
Here's Gonzaga now. Soriano. Here's Sangmuang off the block and Pachari scores. Maling direksyon pumunta si Dindin and here comes Kapitana. So Tabakero vastly improved sa kanyang laro nung gumaling na siya sa lahat ng injury niya. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Aiza Pontilla serving. Salak, combination, Bautista, nando naman sa Tabakero. Kisait, iuhulog, binuhay ni Agno. Bautista. Sait again, Soriano. Stop there by Bautista. Sangmuang. Yes.
Two straight points for Sangmuang.
Kasi Sangmuang, ang talim pa rin ng kanyang atake. Kahit na alam mong parating parang hirap din.
Mahirap basahin.
Mahirap basahin.
In that case, napadaan niya in between the blockers.
Right. 15-14. 1 point lead na lamang para sa Lady Troopers. Gonzaga with the reception. Salak sa kabila. Bautista. Ando na naman si Tabakero. Bautista. Double touch. Si Chisaet. Ginulat na lamang doon si Nene. Wala ka rin naman magagawa. Ikaw si Bautista.
Diba?
Tied at 15. So mga errors para sa magkabilang kupunan. Allowing this game to stay close. Aiza Pontillas. Here's Salak, hinulog, nandun naman si Pineda. Chisaet, Pao Soriano off the head of Bautista at hindi na masasagip yun ni Tinagno. Dikit pa rin po ang ating laban ng 1 point lead for the Lady Rising Suns. Kami po ay magbabalik sa very, masasabi natin, helpful to Philippine Volleyball dahil sa kanyang efforts dito. And Dindin Santiago will miss.
Cagayan, of course, would accept that free point. At ngayon, lamang na sila ng dalawa.
Which is a luxury the way things are going dito sa ating first set. Aiza Pontillas. Gonzaga, Salak sa kabila. Bautista, nailusot. Ay, lifting dito si Chisaet. Yes. Hindi nga double touch, lifting naman.
Oo, hirap na. Sabi ni Ching, hirap nito.
Chisaet, again, the heart and soul talaga ng, masasabi natin yung pulso nitong Cagayan Valley. 17-16, 1 point lead for the Lady Rising Suns. Yung Balse. Sharp serve again. Chisaet, iniwan para kay Pau. Salak, kabila. Nene Bautista, blocked there by Saet. Bautista, almost. Here is Sangmuang, yes! Pachari Sangmuang, ang init na simula.
Oo, a very clean shot at that. Talagang walang tao dun sa down the line area. Look at this. Walang nakadepensa in that corner.
18-16, 2 point lead for Cagayan Valley. Set number 1. Pao Soriano. Bautista, Salak, Santiago. Nice anticipation there by Amporn. Now Amporn on offense and she will miss. Si Amporn, palangiti pala itong babaeng ito.
Oo, palagi siya nakasmile.
Oo.
Pero, parang tahimik lang din siya.
Right.
Malamang tahimik din nga siya dahil may language barrier. But she seems quiet on the floor.
Well, let's see if that will change para dito sa Cagayan Valley. They need her help. Saet gets it across. Dakis off the block. Tabakero on her knees. Saet against Santiago. Mismatch. Saet again. Amporn!
Running hit.
Ang liit na nga lang ng dadaanan. Dinaan pa sa running.
Kayang-kaya niya. The ball was a bit short na konting step lang yung ginawa niya. Hindi na siya nag-approach. But perfect angle for Amporn.
Now Sangmuang. Agno. Salak. Kabila. Dakis. Over the defense. Saet. kay Angge. Angge, dadaanin sana sa kamay ni Tina Salak. Binuhay naman ni Gonzaga. Dakis kept alive. And Pineda cannot keep it going. Again, a good drop shot para dito kay Rachel Ann Dakis. 19-18. 1-point lead for Cagayan Valley. Tina Salak. Pineda. Saed, running attack. Amport again. Naabangan ni Dakis. They go to Tabaquero. Off the hands. Kanina pa ginagawa ni Kapitana yon. Finally, nakakuha na siya ng angulo against Gonzaga. 20-18 ang ating score. Cagayan Valley up by 2 first set action. Saed, Bautista. Salak sa kabila. Dakis, delayed the attack and it is out.
He's trying to go for that down the line area.
Napangiwi si Rachel doon sa kanyang mintis. Time out, Rico de Guzman.
Hindi naman pwede yung manghuhula lang tayo ng palo. Siniset pa lang yung bola, naka-approach na kayo. So, Rachel kanina. Siniset pa lang niya, Titina, doon ka na sa ilalim. Yung unang palo mo kanina, halos napakalayo ng bola mo. Wala sa position pa lang, wala sa timing eh. Malayo tayo sa focus. At kailangan namin kayo puporsyento kayo sa inyong maraming bola.
Isa pang silip doon sa uling tira dito. Dito si Angge Tabaquero again, one of the masters na padadaanin sa kamay ng depensa. Ang ginagawa rito ni Angge Tabaquero. Oh.
At alam mo na yun yung gusto niya gawin, no? Yung pag-land ng kamay niya. Alam mo na, yun yung target niya talaga.
21-18. Saed into the net. So good timeout there para sa koponan ng Philippine Army. They ice one of the best servers. And here's another one na magandang record pagdating sa serbisyo.
And during the earlier part of the first set, nahirapan ng Cagayan na i-receive ang service itong si Dindin Santiago.
Nice serve again. Pontillas, Tabaquero, Salak, Gonzaga, masyado malapit para kay Dakis. Binuhay naman ni Bautista. Gonzaga, kept alive. Here is Tabaquero. Salak, kabila. Gonzaga, off the block, and it's in. Never say die si Guapa.
Philippine Army making sure na didikit sila dito sa Cagayan. Actually, itong first set, halos nagpapalitan lang itong dalawang teams na to.
21-20. Dindin Santiago again. That one goes way out. 22-20. Amporn serving. Nice short serve. Salak. Gonzaga. Nagkatapakan sila doon ni Tabaquero, but that point will go to Cagayan Valley. And another timeout para sa Lady Troopers.
Kahit ma-block man tayo, okay lang. Okay? Ang sa akin, huwag kayong matakot magkamali. Gumalaw kayo ng maayos. Ang iba kasi sa inyo, kulang ang galaw. Hindi ko alam kung natatakot or... Ha?
Isa pang sulyap ulit dito sa huling tira nito si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Nagkatapakan sila doon ni Angge. And Angge Tabaquero knows na yung injury na natamo niya dati, yung kanyang ACL injury, nangyari sa isang insidenteng gano'n ang itsura.
Kaya nga ingat na ingat din siya right after.
I mean, Jovelyn Gonzaga is part of the national team. So gusto mo namang, laban tayo pero ayaw mo namang mapilayan yung kalaban. Salak, Balse, yes. So they get 1 point back. Pero lamang pa rin po ng dalawa ang Cagayan Valley. Ito na si Dakis to serve. So si Dakis, ang kanyang ritual, tumagal na ng tumagal no?
Naghahanda lang, taking her time.
Yan. Pineda with a good reception. Aiza Maizo Pontillas blocked. Oh, that stays in.
Sangmuang expecting that it would go out.
Great defense by King Balse. 23-22. Tagapunas, kailangan daw. At si Agno papasok just to be sure. And another timeout this time called by Cagayan Valley.
Receive lang muna. Receive maganda receive this guy. Nandun sila nga. Okay, wow. Mag-receive natin. Mapasama mo na yung gitna. Okay, mapasama yung single blocker. Mag-single-single sa dulo, di ba? So, pag binato sa dulo-dulo, gawa niya ng paraan. Okay? Okay.
Ano pa nga bang kailangan yung makita rito? Yan pong score natin, dikit na dikit sa ating pong first set. Noel Zarate, kasama po si Andre Mulyacanda at si Ate Ivy. From the arena, game number 1 of the finals. Rachel Andakis serving now, trying to tie things up. Chisayet, adjust ng konti. Aiza Maizo Pontillas, kept alive by Salak. Balse, dug up there by Sangmuang. Tabakero, tawid, papunta rito kay Aiza Maizo. Salak, Bautista, nice dig by Sangmuang. Tabakero, Agno cannot get it. Na-eclipse si Agno nitong si Dakis. Two set points, yes.
So what is Salak calming down her teammates right now, Noel?
2 set points para dito sa kupunan ng Cagayan Valley on the serve of Kapitana. Salak, standing still pero nabasa yung tira ni Gonzaga. Soriano, malakas.
No check.
No check ball. So baba ulit sa 1 punto sa abante ngayon ng Cagayan Valley. Now the reigning MVP, the reigning finals MVP, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Maizo, Saet, Sangmuang. Napayakap si Sangmuang sa poste. Tabakero, Saet, back set to Aiza Maizo. Agno, Sala, quick set to Balse, muntik na mahulog. Sangmuang, dug up there by Tiragno. Saet, back set, Maizo.
Hindi na nakahabol si Ging.
And Maizo scores against her former UST captain. 25-23. What a first set. First set pa lang po, busog na siguro kayo. As we take a look at our shaky shake and play. Aiza Maizo off-speed attack against her former college teammate, Ging Balse. First set belongs to Cagayan Valley.
3 points in the first set for Cagayan Valley. But if you look at the first set, well, ang nakikita naman natin para sa parehong kupunan, talaga namang nandun yung kapit.
Pupukan sila.
Pupukan talaga and wala talagang bumibitaw. So I think the biggest lead that we've seen around 3 to 4 points
Yes.
in that set. Pero most of it talagang nagpapalitan ng puntos itong dalawang kupunan.
Tignan natin yung mga naging kaganapan ng ating first set in terms of our replay highlights, which we will have for you in a few moments. Pero again, itong kupunan ng Philippine Army, maganda simula nila sa ating konferensya, straight sets, maya-maya, nababasa na sila ng ibang kupunan, and they're able to steal a few sets, especially to Cagayan Valley. Took them to 5 sets ng nakaraan, and here are some of the highlights from that recently concluded first set. Angge Tabakero, nahanap yung lugar at nagulat doon si Tin Agno. And again, the high percentage attacks dito, Aiza Maizo Pontillas, nailusot lang doon kay Ging Balse. Ngayon, itong kupunan ng Philippine Army, bago na kanilang starting lineup dito, they are putting in Mina Aganon dito. Kasi sabi natin, fresh legs. For more offense, of course, the silent operator is in. But again, itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley did not get much help from Amporn nung ating first set. And yet, they won.
That's right. Yun nga kanina, we even called out yung dalawang imports, but then
Yes.
Sangmuang started to deliver. But you're right, Amporn have had quite some points, pero hindi siya na-maximize talaga ng Cagayan pa.
Well, itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley, kailangan nga nilang maghanap ng kanilang way na matigilan ito. Pabawi itong Philippine Army, alam naman natin dito sa ating second set. But can they get a 2 sets to nothing lead. Malaking bagay yun sa kanila.
Oo, tama yan. And especially if you're up against a very experienced team like the Philippine Army, ang gusto mo talaga makuha yung kalamangan na yan. At para wala rin yung pressure on your side.
Well, the pressure really is on Cagayan Valley ngayon. Kailangan nilang makuha ng pagkapanalo. Twice na po sila tinalo rito ng Philippine Army. In the finals, last conference, tinalo rin sila ng Philippine Army. The last time actually na talaga namayagpag sila was actually in the second conference of last year. 16-0 sila ron. Pero hindi nila nakalaban ng Philippine Army. Nakalaban nila si Dindin Santiago and Smart Maynila dun sa finals. Pero that was a 16-0 championship with 2 Thai imports. Kaya nakatanungan, can these 2 Thai imports give them another championship?
Well, that's something that we have yet to see. But ang siguro first things first, what we are expecting, of course, from these 2 Thai imports is for us to really feel their presence on the floor.
Patsari, medyo naramdaman natin ang konti ng ating first set. As the second set gets underway, may naaganon kaagad ang unang binigyan and may naaganon na agawa kaagad. Pinag-uusapan namin ng mga ibang sports writers dati. The perfect specimen of a body built for volleyball belongs to Mina Aganon. Yung mahaba, proportion, lahat. Mahabang galamay, pati yung kilos niya on the court. Yan ang specimen ng volleyball player. Sabihin nga lang ni Aiza Maiso, ako dapat yun. MVP, di ba?
Oo.
So 1-1 po ang ating score. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Now, ang Porn Hayapa.
Well, of course, iba-iba rin naman ang style nila ng paglalaro. No? But bottom line is what matters is how effective you are as a player.
Running attack for Dindin. Almost drops. Ito ngayon ang tawid galing kay Amporn. Santiago, wow! Hininaanan niya yung tira niya. Minsan yung mga mahinang tira, yung pa yung magaganda eh.
Well, in that case, inaasahan yung palo niya. No? So last minute, she drops the ball.
And now ito si Dindin Santiago. Up to serve para dito sa Philippine Army. Dindin, 21 years old pa lamang. Think about it.
And we've seen her when she started.
Right.
And how she has developed over the years.
Nakita natin siya as a bench warmer para sa UST.
At yung talagang time nun, very awkward pa.
Right.
You see that, but the potential is there, the height is there. But now, looking at her play, you see how she has improved. And now talagang isa sa mga mahirap katapat sa net. Ito si Santiago.
Dindin was actually a high school student when she made her first appearance dito sa Shakey's V-League with UST. Alongside people like Angeta Baquero, Aiza Maizo, and Ging Balse. They won the championship that year. That was the second conference of 2007. Na hindi siya naglaro. Nakalaban lang nun na San Sebastian.
Pero ngayon, tinan mo naman, talagang...
yun, maximize na talaga siya.
Oo.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Already a 2-time MVP dito po sa Shakey's V-League.
And like what you mentioned, the part of the national team as well.
Paul Soriano, former member of the national team. Nakakuha ng isang cross-court spike. So, 2 serving 4. Angeta Baquero, the former captain of the national team and now the present captain of Cagayan Valley. Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Tabaquero is actually a success story. Hindi dahil magaling sa pagagaling niya. Magaling siya ever since. Pero galing isang ACL injury, career-ending, career-threatening. Nakabalik pa rin. Ito si Angge. Off the block. Tinagno, keeping that alive. Mina Aganon, power tip against Maizo.
At binaan sa pagpapatama sa kamay off the block.
Right. Ilang taon pa lang to si Mina? 20 anyos pa lang siguro to. But look at this.
Hindi natakot sa kamay ng blockers niya.
And again, playing with a lot of the older players na nakukuha ni Mina Aganon yung ganong klaseng experience points. Pineda, Sang Muang. Wow, out of position. That's a great serve there. Na pinakawala ni Mina Aganon. So, plus kagad. Kumbaga sa basketball, may stat tayo na plus-minus. Pagpasok pa lang ni Mina Aganon, taas na ng plus niya. And now Mina Aganon serving once again. Dakis is on the bench once again. So si Dakis used sparingly dito. Tin Agno doing a great job so far today. Bautista walks into a trap. Isa Maison nakamuang na doon. Take a look at this again. Wala ka na magagawa doon.
Well-timed block for Maizo.
Now serving, Isa Maizo Pontillas. Gonzaga. Salak. Balse, uhulog. Sangmuang kept alive there by Bautista. Salak, back to Nene. Nene, finally nailusot. Pero this time, pinili niya si Chisaet.
Of course, he will go for the shorter blocker.
Nakakarami na si Pau Soriano sa kanya eh. 4-point lead now for the Philippine Army. Jovelyn Gonzaga. Pineda. Saet, second ball. Nandun naman si Aganon. Combination play, Bautista. At hindi na maabutan niya ni Pineda. Good start for the Lady Troopers. They are up by 5 sa ating first technical timeout of set number 2.
Na huwag nila pababayaan ang coverage to ensure that they keep the ball alive. Meanwhile, for the Lady Troopers, consistency is what Coach Rico is looking for. And they already are playing in the finals and they should be more aggressive inside the court. Kailangan maging masipag sila sa blocking para mas maging madali para sa kanilang depensa. And Team Captain Tina Salak also reminded the team that they committed quite a number of errors in set number 1 na kailangan nilang ma-minimize. Back to you, Anna Noel.
Well, those errors, 12 of them actually cost them the first set. Pero dito, halos nagkapaan yung dalawang kupunan sa huling rally na yun. But still a point for Philippine Army. Served by Gonzaga, fielded by Pineda. Here's Saed going to Pachari Sangmuang. Wow, a bullet! Dug up there by Gonzaga. And naitawid naman yan ni Nene Bautista. Saed going back to Pachari. This time na ilusot na.
Right now, Cagayan needs to step up pagdating sa attack department. The Philippine Army has already scored 6. Ang Cagayan, 3 pa lang so far.
5-point lead para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Pau Soriano. Bautista. Salak. Bautista with a backhand. Wala talaga sa pwesto doon.
That's too much to ask from Nene.
Nene Bautista, of course, a beach volleyball specialist out of Iloilo. Na naging MVP na rin sa ating liga.
Oo naman.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Agno, Salak, Balse. Ganun lang kasimple ang volleyball nila talaga. No?
Tsaka yung timing talaga, alam mo, gamay na ni Tina. At ni Ging ang isa't isa.
Well, this time it is Santiago going back to the front. So Ging Balse from Panabo City in Mindanao. In Davao rather, Davao Province in Mindanao. Gonzaga, Salak, yan. Tina Salak scored 13 points in their last game. Karamihan dahil sa mga ganong klaseng tira. 11-5. Balik ulit sa anim mga bante rito ng Lady Troopers. There's Balse. That is in. Former best server of the league. Nagparamdam. 12-5. Coach Ness is not happy.
Binaba nyo kagad sarili nyo, ganyan pa lang tayo rin naman nagpalayo, di ba?
Pagdating sa unti-untiin, it looks like he has the best lineup on the floor to achieve that. Ito si Coach Ness. Makikita natin dito yung serve dito si Ging Balse.
Look at that ball float and suddenly drop. Saktong-sakto dun sa end line.
Again, pinapractice po yung mga hindi po chamba yun. Balse tries it again. Nakuha naman ngayon ni Maizo. Saed, sending it to Sangmuang. Gonzaga, Salak, Bautista, ato si Tabakero. Saed sa kabila, Sangmuang, yes! Pachari Sangmuang, dinaan sa experience that time. So Sangmuang cuts it down to 6. 6 serving 12.
And right now, just 2 attackers here for Cagayan.
Hindi na kinailangan kasi service error naman para
Oo.
dito kay Sangmuang.
Pero ito yung inaabangan din natin, Noel. No? Sabi natin, si Sangmuang medyo nagpaparamdam na. It's right now, it's Tabakero, Amporn, who will be Cagayan's attackers. Tingnan natin kung mamamaximize si Saet, si Amporn.
Amporn on cue. Tumira. Wala. Salak sending it to Mina Aganon. Kept alive by Bang Pineda. Habol naman si Angge. May tatawid yan ni Angge. Almost scoring. Tina Salak losing out to Amporn. One more time around for Army. Aganon kept alive by Pineda. Tabakero free ball from Amporn. Salak!
Sabi niya, ako na lang, para tapos na.
The thing is, kitang-kita natin kung ano gagawin ni Salak. I'm sure
Hindi
kita rin ng
naka-adjust.
Cagayan Valley. Oh.
Look at the defense. The ball was set up a bit high. Nakita mo na yung isang kamay, no?
Oh.
Pero yung pwesto sa depensa.
8 puntos na po ang abante ng Philippine Army. Is their biggest lead of the game. Bautista on the short serve. Saet, Tabakero, naabangan doon ni Salak. One more time around for Angge. Off the hands this time of Salak. Salak, running attack. Dindin, naabangan doon. Single block by Tabakero. Oh, double touch kontra kay Jovelyn Gonzaga. So sinasabi na, hindi araw-araw birthday mo. Oh. Kamakailan lang ang birthday niya. 14-7. Yan ang ayon ni Rico Di Guzman na makita na may mga errors na unforced. Santiago, Aganon will recycle. Running attack, Dindin. Kept alive by Saet. Floor defense now starting to work for Cagayan Valley. And there is the smartness of Angge Tabakero.
And she gets a point for that.
Patalinuhan, wala pong ihigit dyan. Sa volleyball IQ nitong si Tabakero is off the charts. Babasa 6, galing 8. Saet. Tinagno. Salak. Mina Aganon. Malakas. Check ball down.
Aganon.
Grabe, no? Napakataas talaga ng percentages nung pumasok siya.
Oh, and really making her time on the floor worthwhile.
Ngayon si Tina Salak. Short serve ulit. Saet. Running attack. Ayun si Amporn. Nagulat nun si Agno. Bigla na lang nahulog sa harapan niya yung
Ang
bola.
bilis eh.
Oo.
Ang bilis nung pag-land. Pero nakatawa siya.
Oh,
Sabi,
alam mo,
konti na lang.
Tin Agno is doing a great job today para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. Amporn serving.
Oh,
Into
sends
the
that
net
one.
again.
Offsets that point.
16-9. Pito ang abante ng Lady Troopers. We'll be right back. Dindin Santiago magsiserve ngayon. 7-point lead for the Lady Troopers. Tabakero. Saet. Maiso. Naabangan ni Ging Balse.
All things going well for Philippine Army.
17-9. Kung titignan mo ito scoreline na to, inisip mo, paano kaya nanalo Cagayan Valley ng first set?
Oo nga eh. Very, very comfortable lead here for Philippine Army.
Santiago with the serve once again. Pao Soriano. Aiza Maizo. Santiago, too near. And Tabakero, net violation. Natakam si Angge that time. Regalo.
Oo nga.
Well, the shake is feeling is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. You're saying, Ann?
Well, I'm looking at some numbers right now, and I think one of the biggest things that the Philippine Army has to really, yung na-address talaga nila, napakarami nilang errors in the first set, and they really minimized here in the second. Kaya hirap din itong Cagayan, ano, kontra sa kanila.
On cue, kaka-error lang tuloy ni Dindin.
Nabati ko.
18-10, lamang pa rin po ng malaki itong kupunan ng Philippine Army. Tabakero. Nice serve. Super nice serve from Kapitana. 18-11. Walang papetiks-petiks dapat dito sa Philippine Army. Cagayan Valley is capable of stringing together so many points. Agno. Salak, combination, Gonzaga. Second ball firing, Aiza Maiso Pontillas.
Philippine Army defense did not expect that.
18-12, yeah.
Yun ang kailangan mo ina-anticipate palagi, especially if kaliwete yung naiiwan dun sa net.
Alam mo, sa tinagal-tagal ni Aiza Maiso dito sa Liga, I'm sure marami pa rin nakakalimot na kaliwete pa rin siya. Agno. Salak. And there's Mina Agano. Nice dig there from Saet. Sangwang. Oh, nice defense naman para kay Tina Salak.
Army reading that attack from Sangmuang very well. Look at this. Ganda ng timing.
Tina Salak. Just all over the ball that time. Balik sa pito. Ang abante ngayon ng Philippine Army. Carmina Aganon serving. Pineda. Saet. Sangmuang. Blocked there by Gonzaga. Maiso! Dinaan sa lakas ng palo kontra sa kapwang Ilongga na si Nene Bautista. Double sub coming in. Giselle C. sees her first action along with Janine Marciano. Full front line ulit para din sa kupunan ng Cagayan Valley. At si Giselle C. out of FEU. Statwa muna, statwa. Ayan, statwa. And then tira.
Yeah, right on cue.
Again, a misreception there. So Sangwang able to score. Kaya 5 na lang to. Kanina, siyam yan.
Oo. And, alam mo, talagang kahit anong laki ng lamang, wala ka talagang room mag-relax.
Oo. Giselle C once again. Alce, malakas. Nako.
Kinulang din sa wrist yung huling atake yun.
4 na lang ito. Timeout Army.
Sayang yung lamang natin. Bigay kayo ng 2 puntos. Ngayon, bawiin natin. O, 4 yung lamang. Kailangan, huwag nyo na ipapabilan. Okay, patibayin natin yung receive. Ang problema, receive natin. Yung nabinigyan natin, 2 points. So, bawiin nyo.
Talagang pamatay sunog ito. Earlier, the lead was 18-9 para dito sa Philippine Army. It is now 19-15. So ano ito? 6-1 run. Being shown here by Cagayan Valley as Giselle C. serves once again. Into the net this time. So konting breathing room para dito sa Lady Troopers. Balik sa 5 ang kanilang kalamangan dito. And now the Bionic Guapa. Technically, taga Iloilo rin to kasi doon siya nag-aaral. Pero taga Guimaras talaga siya. Giselle C. Janine Marciano. Yes! Lusot doon sa 2 6-footer halos. Ano? Tina Salak and Ging Balse.
At itong Cagayan, parang palagi ko yun yung pinag-ensayuhan nila. No? A lot of points really coming off the block.
Rosemary Vargas will see her first action ngayon. Siya magsaserve. Pinalitan niya ito si Pao Soriano. Rosemary Vargas, of course, a better back row defender than Soriano. Coming off a very bad knee injury last year. This year, laki na ng pinagbago sa kanyang laro. Almost back to normal. And then Bautista down the line.
Napakabilis ng atake na yun ni Nene Bautista.
Balik ulit sa 5 ang kaabante rito or kalamangan dito ng Philippine Army. Balse. What a serve. C. Running attack on Porn. Habol naman to si Balse. Salak. Going to Bautista. Pachari is there. C. Jumps it over to Janine Marciano.
If you're up against Philippine Army, you really have to play smart.
At ito si Ging Balse hinabol na dun. Down to 4. And Sangmuang, Salak, now sending it over to Bautista. C, running attack on Porn. Coverage is there, pero masyado malakas, and that will be an overreaching violation or net violation called on Tina Salak. 3 na lang po ito.
Philippine Army is still calm, pero yun nga, no, huwag ka rin kukurap dahil Cagayan Valley convincingly won actually the first set. Dikit man yung laban, talagang lumaban sila.
Santiago, no coverage behind Aganon. Dalawa na lang ito. And the last timeout now for the Lady Troopers.
Follow sila dito, ginagawa nila ng paraan. Sana tulungan nyo din. Pwede lang tingnan kung anong ginagawa nila. Kasi i-block din sa kabila. Okay, kung sa mga block din tayo, diba? So, kailangan din naman.
Tignan ulit natin yung setup dito. Dapat pag-follow, confident ka na may coverage sa likuran mo.
Oo, and in this case,
Wala si Agno.
nakapasok silang lahat.
Si Agno actually wala sa posisyon. Sangmuang, another good serve. Salak, Santiago, kept alive by Vargas. They go to Tabaquero. And Tabaquero dug up there by Aganon. Agno on the back set para kay Bautista. Habol si Tabaquero. Free ball from Vargas. Agno. Salak running attack. Santiago. And that is in. So that stops a 10-3 run. Kanina po yung score natin, Army 18, Cagayan Valley 9. It is now Army 22, Cagayan Valley 19. Wow! Service ace from Nene Bautista.
Right now, Philippine Army making sure lahat ng ginagawa nila, no? Kahit pa paano makakapuntos.
Back-to-back points now for the Lady Troopers. Timeout, Cagayan Valley.
Isang maganda resibo na din siya. Matatlo pa yung strike mo. Ha? Okay? Sige. Tinitipid nyo kagad. May short ball yan. Tinitipid yung position mo eh.
Back-to-back points para sa Lady Troopers. Punctuated by that service ace galing dito kay Nerissa Bautista. Ganda ng liko ng bola doon sa taas ng net sa lumiko eh. 2 points away from tying us up at 1 set apiece. Nene Bautista once again. Vargas, C. Amport on the run. Kept alive here by Gonzaga. Aganon. C. Tabaquero unmarked. Agno. Amporn. Parang badminton yung laban doon ah.
Suntukan ng bola, pero buti na lang. Para sa Philippine Army, lumabas yung palo ni Amporn.
Parang bigay na sa badminton yung nangyari doon. 24-19, 5 set point naman para sa Philippine Army. Short serve by Nene does not work. So palitan ng tao dito, babalik ulit. Ito si Aiza Pontillas at si Chi Saet. Upo si Giselle C. at si Janine Marciano. So Saet facing 4 set points sa kanyang serve.
Saet has been very consistent, ano? So far. Sana hindi ko ma-jinx.
Good serve. Running attack, Santiago. Yes! And just like that, Philippine Army has diffused the rally of Cagayan Valley. Pero yung third set mo, exciting.
Iyan ang maging exciting. Dahil pantay sila ngayon,
yes.
1 set each.
And our shaky play, Dintin Santiago. No problem going to zone 1. Tied at 1 set apiece. Third set sa aming pong pagbabalik.
Throughout the second set, we also mentioned how the Philippine Army, the difference of how they played in the second set versus the first set. Mas naibaba nila yung kanilang errors, and at this point, pantay lang sila with 6 with Cagayan.
12 errors para sa Philippine Army ng ating first set. Pero makikita natin yung depensa rin nila. Block points were there, service points were there, and Dintin Santiago was also there. So, Kompletos recados po ginamit dito ng kupunan ng Philippine Army para makuha yung may tabla natin sa 1 set apiece. Ito na, third set na tayo. Sasabi mo, ang ganda na simula ng Cagayan Valley. Ang ganda ng bawi ng Philippine Army. Ano mangyayari dito sa third set?
Well, this is going to be interesting definitely, dahil of course, they're playing on an even field right now. Ang gustong mangyari ng parehong kupunan, makalamang over the other.
And here is the setup now for, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Differential play works. Mina Aganon is also a big factor para sa kupunan ng Cagayan Valley doon, or rather Philippine Army. Hindi na naglaro si Rachel Andakis.
Oo nga, nag-stick sila with Mina Aganon.
And they're starting with Mina Aganon here once again. Tina Salak, service error. Mahirap naman yung binabalak niya, down the line serve. If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be shaky.
Well, praktisado na rin over the years, but of course, yun nga, very risky.
Good serve there coming from Chisaet. Gonzaga, top spin move. Saet is there. Pineda, opposite for Tabaquero. Agno. Salak, Santiago. Basa naman ni Chisaet. Tinawid na lang ni Gonzaga. Quick set now to Amporn. Bigyan mo na madaling bola Cagayan. Sa quicker agad sila pupunta.
Oo, and why not, if you have the likes of Amporn there in the front line.
So 2-1, Lady Rising Suns. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Saet. Nakakadalawa na si Chisaet, and that's rare.
Knowing that very high percentage din sa service,
Now Dindin.
Santiago, oo. Siya ang top scorer ngayon ng Philippine Army with 7 points.
There's Tabaquero. Into the net. Ang daming net error nito magkabilang kupunan. Kung hindi net violation, net error. Or not over. Ika nga kay Coach Roger. 3-2. Nakakuha ulit ng Army ang Kalamangan. Din to serve. That's a good read. They're coming from Sangmuang. Akala ko papasok na sa sulok eh.
It looked like, pero yung ball lumutang palabas.
Yung floater, sometimes it works for you, sometimes it works against you. Tied to 3. Amporn, Balse, Salak, Gonzaga, Amporn, Saet, Maizo, Gonzaga, Salak, Balse.
Simpleng-simple. Siging.
Minsan yung mga nakakagulat na kilos yung nakakapuntos eh.
Tinatawanan lang din ni Ging, look at this. Alanganin kasi. Hindi sila nagkaintindihan dun sa set.
Papunta na ng zone 1 yung mga ibang player nun. Now, Mina Ganon. Good serve once again. Pineda. Back set ngayon. Aiza Maizo. Dug up there by Salak. And that shot by Bautista goes out. So parang kapaan na naman ang nangyayari dito sa pagsimula nitong ating third set.
And both teams, mas mabagal ng konti yung umpisa.
Well, Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, tied at 4. Tied at 1 set apiece. Bautista off the net. Great dig from Tabaquero. Free ball given up by Sangmuang. Sala, quick set to Balsi again. You give them a free ball, automatic. Pupunta sa gitna yan. 5-4 Army. So Jovelyn Gonzaga once again. Saet. Maizo turned back there by Balse. Saet, balik ulit kay Maizo. Agno nandun. Salak. Balse, gitna. Nakabangan doon ni Sangmuang. And Aiza Maizo puts it away.
Naunahan ni Maizo itong si Salak.
5-all ang ating score. And for all the brilliance ni Aiza Maizo sa larong ito, quiet pa rin siya.
Oo nga eh.
And again, a service error.
A lot of errors in the early part of this third set.
Gwyneth Eulalio making her first appearance in this game. Para sa Cagayan Valley, pinahinga muna si Amporn. Balse. Nice serve. Saet. Sangmuang. Lusot na naman. Pagandahan ng first ball ito para sa magkabilang koponan.
Pag maganda ang first ball, pareho silang maraming options.
Right. So Agno and Pineda doing well. And now Gwyneth Eulalio out of FEU.
It's Amporn and Sangmuang.
Here's Salak now. Santiago out of nowhere. Nabangan naman ni Amporn.
Yun ang payong. It's like hitting the ball straight into a wall.
Kita naman natin dito the experience of Amporn Hayapa. Offensive block.
Oo, tsaka yung tunog no?
Buti hindi nag-down the line to si Dindin.
Balik yun.
Oo. 7-6 Cagayan Valley. Eulalio, good serve again. Aganon. Sala, combination. Bautista. And another violation. This is a net violation on Chisaet. 7-all. Bautista trying to give Army the lead going into the first technical timeout of this set. Running attack, Amporn. Santiago. Salak. Running attack naman ni Dindin. No problem. 8-7. Philippine Army up by 1. Kami po ay magbabalik.
Ang Cagayan or Lady Rising Suns. He said that because they were able to control the errors and they had better reception and defense in the second set, kaya nila nakuha ito. And Coach Ness naman, on the other hand, told the Lady Rising Suns that they need to organize themselves inside the court. Importante na magkaroon sila ng magandang defense at magandang receive para makagawa sila ng play at maka-opensa. They were also reminded of the right positions inside the court para hindi sila namamatayan ng bola. Ann and Noel?
Well, again, the position is working. Pero the thing is, yung opensa, palaka-laka rin para sa magkabilang koponan. This has just been a series of errors para sa kanila. Currently we're tied at 8. So ngayon, Patsari Sangmuang. Gonzaga. Salak, running attack din, yes. And Coach Ness is now, talagang micromanage na yung depensa nila.
At talagang ito nagbibigay rin ng instructions at the sideline. Yun ang nagiging problema nila ngayon. That's something that they quickly need to address. Lalo pat ang nasa front line ngayon is Gonzaga, Santiago, na ganon.
There's the runner by Amporn. Sent back by Santiago. Here's Tabaquero. Oy, walang tao sa likuran. Butas na naman. 9-all. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Good serve by Saed. Salak, Santiago. Maizo, Amporn off the block. Salak, Gonzaga kinapos. Nauna na lumundog si Gonzaga, nakita niya na, ay nako, dami nakaabang sa akin.
Oo, pwedeng tinansya niya, pero kinulang.
Right. 10-9, the Shakey's feeling is powered by Motolite battery, pang matagalan. Salak leaves it for Gonzaga again. Napabasa na yung play ng Philippine Army. Here's Tabaquero. Bautista buys enough time for everybody to get there. Running attack para kay Amporn. Kuwang-kuha na ni Chisaet yung height na gusto niya Amporn for this run.
Look at that. Great angle by Amporn.
11-9 ang ating score. Cagayan Valley up. Aganon. Sala, quick set to Santiago. Amporn on the push and Amporn will score.
Finally, a series of points here for Amporn.
Dinadaan na naman niya sa experience, of course, being part of that Thai national team. Good serve again, galing dito kay Salak. Running attack, din Santiago. Baba sa 2 ang abante rito ngayon ng Rising Suns. And ito si Dindin Santiago now to serve. Nakapanibago, number 4 yung suot ni Dindin eh. No?
Oh, different jersey number.
Tabakero, Salak, combination. Nabangan doon ni Amporn. Back set, Aganon, drops it over Amporn. Nandun naman si Shisai. Yes!
Cagayan playing smart volleyball. Kita natin the series of points that they've gotten so far. Bola.
Makita mo naman dito, no doubt about that being in from Kapitana. Here's the Salak, back set, Gonzaga. Maizo, off the net, lalabas. Mga nitong ang Cagayan Valley, uuti-unti naman ito sa Philippine Army.
Dinadaan naman sa tiyaga, paghabol. But nonetheless, I think what's working right now for Cagayan is that they're just basically playing smart, and Philippine Army medyo nahirapan lang ng konti because of some errors as well, pati sa defensive position.
Good cover there by Pineda. Saet. Maizo delays it. Gonzaga, hindi na hinintay. Yung kanyang mga kakampi, tumira na. Tabakero, lusot.
Tabakero, very effective here in the third set.
14-11. Nakaset na doon yung depensa, nailusot pa rin niya,
At in between pa, talaga,
Right.
the blockers.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Salak. Balse! Bawian!
Sabi ni Salak, dinadaan nyo kami sa bilis, ha? Eto. Isang quick play.
Kaya nga, tsaka parati sa dulo na pinapapunta yung bola. Where no man is there. Or no woman in this case. Guapa. Bang. Chi. Juarez. Dug up there by Tin. Nene! Isa na lang po ang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. And Gonzaga serving once again. Eulalio fields it. Here's Sang Muang. Gonzaga will buy enough time for Agano to track this down. Free ball from Agno. Maizo could not get the timing right. Just like that, tabla na tayo, 14-all. Gonzaga ngayon trying to give Philippine Army the lead. Short serve. Saet. Sangmuang. Malakas. At ang kalamangan mapupunta na po sa Lady Troopers. Kanina lamang, Cagayan Valley was leading 14-11.
Ganun kabilis and talagang trinabaho rin ng Philippine Army. Let's see how Cagayan will respond.
Gonzaga with a good serve. Saet. Sangmuang, yes! Nilalagay lang ni Sangmuang sa mga pwesto na alam niyang maalangan ng mga tao humabol.
At kanina pa rin nagiging target yung down the line area ng Philippine Army. Walang adjustment sa pwesto ng depensa ng Philippine Army so far.
Well, ito ngayon, si Marciano will return along with Giselle C. Trying to give the Lady Rising Suns the lead once again. Gonzaga, Salak, tatawid. Nandun naman si Pineda. Sangmuang, Pineda plays it. Giselle C. from the open, Marciano. Marciano loses out to Salak. Galing likod, Tabakero. Salak, great block there by Eulalio.
And good coverage by Gonzaga.
Still alive though. Marciano, kinapos. So after all of that, lamang pa rin po ang Philippine Army ng isang puntos, 16-15. We'll be right back. Balse hits into a service error. So gano'n, puntos error. Puntos error.
Palitan lang. At mukhang mag-uunahan itong Philippine Army and Cagayan here in the third set. It's like a seesaw battle.
So far. Here's Gwyneth Eulalio. Salak, back set, Bautista, single block from Janine Marciano. Timing nitong batang to, ibang klase. (17-16). Eulalio. Salak, Eulalio to the rescue, but Dindin says, thank you very much.
That's a point for Philippine Army.
And now Bautista to serve. Grabe, oh. I-score natin. 1-all, 17-all.
Palitan nga lang, no? Dikitan.
The Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery pang matagalan. Tamakero on the reception. Giselle C. Oy! Bigla na lang lumundag itong si Ampon at natawa sa sarili niya.
Medyo maiksi rin yung set kasi ni Giselle C, no? So, inabot lang din ni Amporn. But nonetheless, it's a point.
And Amporn starting to contribute in terms of offense. Here's Salak now. Running attack. Dindin, hulog.
Trying to keep it simple, Noel.
Yung mga off-speed na hulog na ganyan, minsan mas effective pa yan kaysa malakas na palo. 18-all. Walang iwanan. Ang kumurap, pangit.
At sa ngayon, kailangan talaga yung Philippine Army. They need to show how they play smart volleyball. Dahil kung depensa at depensa ang pag-uusapan, itong Cagayan Valley actually has a higher percentage when it comes to defense at this point, no? Compared to them.
On that time, Amporn able to get one through again. And palitan tayo ng tao dito. Balik ulit si Aiza Maizo Pontillas and Chisait. Good serve again, coming there from Saet. Dindin, Sang Muang. Saet going to Tabaquero. Habol si Salak. Aganon off the net. Wow, what a dig by Pineda. Oh, double touch against Chi Saet. Again, a heroic dig para dito kay Bang Pineda. Pero yun nga, error na naman sa kanyang team. 19-all. Dindin. Oh, kanina pa to 19-all, 18-all, 17-all. Lahat na ng all, nadaan na natin. Di pa lang natin nadadaanan si Olsen Racela. Belated happy birthday. Pasok ano? Belated happy birthday. Olsen Racela, Cesar Malapitan, ang hari ng pansit at barbecue sa San Juan Arena.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Coach Jolie pa at Mr. Bong Barameda. Mga November 1. Ako, November na. Bear.
Berman.
Yan na.
Well, nakailang Bear months na naman tayo. Pero ito talaga ngayon, malapit ng Pasko.
21-19. Cagayan Valley now taking advantage of the errors against the Philippine Army. So, maramdaman yung Bear. Punta kang Tagaytay. Yun.
Yun ang weather. Bagyo.
That is right. Dito kaya sa Thailand. Kung nasa Thailand kayo, wag po kayo sa Bangkok. Mainit niya sa Chiang Mai kayo pupunta. Doon malamig. Salak, Gonzaga, nabawi.
Kailangan, no, kung magre-react ang Philippine Army, dapat ngayon na.
Right. And now, Mina Aganon. Trying to tie it up sa kanyang serve. Sangmuang, Saet, Maizo, off the hands of Balse. (22-20). Tabaquero, Kapitana. Gusto nang mang-iwan dito. Good serve. Salak. Oh, Gonzaga almost took off the head of Pineda.
Great combination play.
22-21. Kita mo naman out of nowhere. At si Pineda, alam mo, mabibiglas
Nagulat.
na.
Oo. Pero alam mo, credit that to the good reception. Hindi man lang gumalaw si Tina Salak dun sa
Right.
pwesto niya.
Same thing here now with the reception by Pineda for Saed. Sangmuang. And here's Bautista. Naabangan doon ni Maizo. Third ball coming up. Combination. Sangmuang. Bautista. Salak mamimigay. Habol si Angge. Sangmuang. Maizo. Still alive. Salak. Malaglag sa Eulalio.
Hindi bumitiw si Eulalio at the net.
23-20, Cagayan Valley, timeout Army.
Ginagawa nitong phone target. Malaki yun. Malaking bagay sa atin yun. Kasi may chance na yung opensa ng kabila at yung blocker ng kabila, minsan advantage tayo. Kailangan yung service. Pasok natin. Ha?
Tignan ulit natin dito. Alam na nila, papalo na ito si Tina Salak. Ano naman yung timing dito? Binilangan pa ni Buenet Eulalia. Tingnan mo. PP hit Salak. Alam na niya eh. Alam na niya. Ato pupunta. 1, 2. Boom! Importante yung 1-2 na yan eh.
At lahat ng coaches makikita mo pinaalala yan.
Ayan. Naku, ayan yung mga kasama natin. Si Madam Eleanor, si Mr. Martelino, si Mr. Palu. Overlooking. Parang the Greek gods eh. From Olympus.
Nasa likod
Overlooking.
natin.
Nasa likod natin. Magkamali lang tayo. It's for the fans. Oh! Bad attack there coming from Bautista. Now 3 set points for Cagayan Valley. Another timeout for Rico de Guzman.
Receive natin. Okay, magpipigay doon sa play natin. Eh, wala na eh. Nasa din natin yung bola. Saka pa lang kumilos. Sayang. Ang hinayang kayo. Ha? O, copy tayo. Kagayan natin yan. Dadalawa.
And Mayor Dang enjoying what she sees so far on the crest of a 2-1 lead. Itong kanyang koponan ay, of course, itong koponan ng Cagayan Valley would like to win a championship against the Philippine Army in Metro Manila. Never pa nila nagawa in Metro Manila yon.
And it could just be this conference.
Kasi sa CFG, Cagayan Friendship Games nga, kaya nga Cagayan Friendship Games, doon sa Cagayan nagaganap yon. Triple set point for Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Sure serve, Aganon. Sarah Jane Gonzalez seeing her first action. She saw it. Inangat naman ni Bautista. Gonzalez. Valse on the drop. Kept alive. Sangmuang. Sangmuang, hindi na angat yun ni Tinagno. And look at this. Cagayan Valley now takes a 2-1 lead. Kontra sa Philippine Army in Game 1 of the finals. Shaky shake and play. Patsari Sangmuang, the old reliable, delivers for Cagayan Valley.
That's right. And malaking bagay yung blocking because at this point in time na even lang sila when it comes to the offensive department, the fact that you're able to protect your side of the court with good blocking, it really helps. Especially kung ang kalaban mo yung Philippine Army.
Ang katanungan dito, how long will they keep Dakis on the bench? Alam natin strategy ito na binababad talaga si Aganon. Pero right now, mukhang kailangan na lahat ng firepower nila. Especially now that Sangmuang is starting to find her groove dito sa laban na ito.
Fun place to get great deals.
Ka matatalo?
Yun ang mahirap.
Yan.
But of course, for an experienced team like Philippine Army, tignan natin if they will get that switch dito sa fourth set na ito at maibalik ba nila ang laro na inaasahan sa kanila ni Coach Rico.
David Santiago able to start things off. And now our first look at Joan Bunag. Kapapasok pa lang, pinag-usapan natin at the top of the coverage, Joan Bunag, multiple positions ang nilalaro. So ngayon, in as open spiker. Oy, ay, din, natakam, nakita yan. Liwit na setter, kaya ko to. Huli. 1-all. Fourth set. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Huwag mo munang galawin yung standings na yan, Barry. Mahaba pa itong laban na to.
Mukhang ma-update yan mamaya.
Nako, huwag kang ganyan. Ay! Tinasalak. Nanggulat. So, 2-1 Army. If you're Cagayan Valley, ayaw mo na paabutin na 5th set ito. Naalala mo yung nangyari last time.
Definitely. If you, lahat naman ng teams, dahil nga mas maiksi rin yung 5th set, you'd rather not go into that.
Reception problems now. Starting to play, itong Cagayan Valley. Tabakero, usually reliable. Hindi nakuha that time. 3-1 Lady Troopers. Ang import nilang si Dindin Santiago serving. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Here's Saet. A dump coming from Aiza Maizo Pontillas.
Currently, Cagayan's top scorer alongside Sang Muang with 10 points.
Well, she's also the league's leading scorer. Number 1 po sa in terms of points scored. Coming into this game, here is Tabakero. Bunag, Salak, Balse, Tabakero, Saet, Eulalio. Ayaw na talaga sabi, no, tapusin na natin dito
Naninigurado.
sa fourth set. Pero yun na nga, si Mayor Dang is in attendance. They want to make a statement. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Yung elimination round, warm-up lang daw yan. Ito na yung totoong series, the championship. But, King Balse has other plans.
It could be, for all coaches, what you want is for your team to peak at the right time. And baka ito na yung finals na yun for Cagayan.
Here's Mina Aganon. Coming off the bench today. Nabuti na, sagip yan ni Sang Muang. Here's Bunag. Oy, on her head. Good defense by Eulalio and Pontillas. Malamig pa si Joan Bunag. Kita mo rito, right there. Nakasarado na yung cross court Down the line yung iniwanan lang bukas.
Pero kasi the angle of her body was also facing that side, Alam na ng blockers na hindi down the line si Bunag.
Habol si Tinagno. Free ball given up here by Army. Here's Saet now, going to Sang Muang. Backhands it. Salak sets up Gonzaga. Kept alive there by Tabakero. Saet. Sang Muang. Quick set ngayon. Nabuhay pa rin yan ni Sang Muang. Grabe reflexes ni Sang Muang. And Aiza Maizo drops it. This is Aiza Maizo time.
Look at this from the back.
Off speed pa kaya nahilo doon si Mina Aganon.
At nakita rin siguro ni Maizo na lahat ng depensa nakaatras.
Right. And traditionally, yung gitnang area na yan para sa Philippine Army is susceptible to those drop shots. Balse off the block. Chi Saet has to attack. And Chi Saet scores! Kulang na sa communication ngayon itong Army at Tina Salak is trying to restore order. 6-4 Cagayan Valley sa panahon ng tagulan ni Wasan ng Dengue. Lion Tiger katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Aiza Maizo Pontillas, strong. Palitan ng tao ulit dito. Coach Rico is now really digging deep into his bench as Jeannie Sabas from Cebu will now check in for Ging Balse from Davao. And the 23-year-old from Guimaras now serving. Gonzaga. Saet. Sang Muang. Aganon. Salak. Bunag na abangan that time and here they come. Saved there by Aganon. Saet, atake na naman. Binuhay naman ni Agdo. Eulalio able to outsmart Jeannie Sabas.
And even the breaks going to the side of Cagayan. Nakita mo, sipag lang din,
7-5 ang ating score, Cagayan Valley. Wenneth Eulalio, energy off the bench din ang bunot dito kay Wenneth Eulalio, ha? Replacing Amporn.
Been very effective at the net as well.
They go to Bunag. Bunag on the delay. That works. Sabas will now serve. 7-6, Cagayan Valley. Now Jeannie Sabas. Good serve from Sabas coming off the bench. Oh, sarado. Santiago able to stop Amporn. 7-all. And now Jeannie Sabas once again. Pontillas, Saet, running attack, Amporn. And you can't keep a good player down. So, Amporn able to give a 1-point lead to Cagayan Valley. Kami po ay magbabalik.
The front of the net para hindi mahirapan ng kanilang depensa. Pinaalalahanan din sila na kailangan i-minimize ang errors para hindi sila mahirapan makapuntos. For the Lady Troopers, Coach Rico told them kailangan nilang pumwesto ng tama sa loob ng court para sila ay makadepensa. Kailangan gumalaw sila ng tama at maging masipag lalo na sa kanilang blocking. Ano, Noel?
Well, now Amporn is starting to heat up para dito sa kupunan ng Cagayan Valley.
Just in time, here in the fourth.
Si Pao Soriano na inupo ngayon dito. So it is Amporn and Eulalio for the Quickers ngayon para dito sa Cagayan Valley.
Actually, Soriano has been on the bench for a while.
Right. Bunag, blocked there by Amporn.
Amporn, hindi lang sa opensa, pati sa blocking.
Eto na ang init na hinahanap natin sa isa sa pinakamagaling na players coming out of Thailand ever.
Look at her stretch her arms to reach for that ball.
Timing talaga. Sangmuang. Aganon, Salak, Bunag, off the block. Saet, running attack from Amporn.
And it's that same area, but the defense of the Philippine Army hindi pa rin nakakapag-adjust.
Kailangan na ni Coach Rico magbalik ng tao dito, and it looks like Nene Bautista will come in for Joan Bunag.
Still no sign of Dakis.
Right. Shakey's feeling is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. In fact, hindi ko nakikita si Rachel. Wala, kahit sa bench, wala si Rachel. Bautista. Saet, Amporn again!
And ngayon, nakikita ni Saet that Amporn is on fire. Talagang lahat ng tsansa that she gets, binibigyan ng play itong si Amporn.
Iniisip siguro ng Army, makapuntos, makastop lang tayo na isa.
Just to break this.
Isa pang rotation yan Nandiyan pa rin si Amporn sa harapan Sasha Torres is in as the libero right now. Dindin Santiago. Saet going to the other side this time for Tabacero.
The hard part here, Noel, is na nandyan si Amporn. May iba ka pang sumusuporta na pumapatay.
Tabacero able to give Cagayan Valley a 6-point lead. Timeout, Army.
Running man yung isa. Ito na agad, running. Ang nangyari, rumaraning na nato pa rin sa gitna. Ibig sabihin, hindi na kami malaban. Wala na kayo sa focus. So, hindi pa naman, ako. Malayo pa yan. Ako na, kita ba kayo? Naman yun ako.
Tumao-tao na itong Philippine Army doon sa ulang huddle nila. Tabacero unmarked there sa kanyang cross-court bomb. Take a look at it again. Tingnan mo naman dito si Amporn naman sa kabila. I mean, who has the prettier running attack? Ito bang si Amporn or si Pinok Quezini? Naalala mo yung mga ganyan din ni Pinok Quezini? Bautista, yes! Panandali ang pagtigil sa pagragasa nitong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley. Magandang timeout yun para kay Coach Rico de Guzman. Pero 5 pa rin ang hinahabol ngayon ng Lady Troopers.
At ngayon, 2 lang ang opensa nila, no? In front.
Salak, yep. Tabacero. Saet, running attack. Amporn, this time, hindi na ganon.
Right timing there for Mina Aganon.
Very underrated si Mina Aganon pagdating sa kanyang depensa. Pero ang haba ng galamay nito. I mean, napapanood nyo sa TV, mukhang normal. Subukan yung tabihan niya, pahabaan ng galamay. Haba. Bautista with a service error.
Now, these are the things na hindi gustong makita ni Coach Rico ngayon, no? Especially because naghahabol sila.
She Saet now to serve. She Saet has also been setting magnificently para dito sa kupunan ng Cagayan Valley and serving very well as well. Dindin, yes!
Some energy. We're feeling some energy coming from the side of Philippine Army.
Alam
Natahimik
mo,
no?
si Dindin, pag nagalit na yan, hihingi na siya ng bola. Wala siyang pakialam kung siya yung bunso sa team. Akin na yan, ate. Ako na yan, papatay dyan.
And that's what they need at this point.
At habang nasa harapan si Dindin, dapat gatasan na nila yung pagkakataon na yan. Saet, Contillas blocked there by Gonzaga. Saet, on point again. Yes! Hindi na timingan ni Aganon yan that time. Balik sa 5 ang abante ngayon ng Rising Suns. And now Amporn is in the back. But Dindin is still in front para sa Army. Sasha Torres, Tina Salak, Dindin again. At wala na makakakuha no. So Santiago is now pouring it on.
But she moves to the back
Yun
now.
din. Sabas ang pupunta sa harapan. So Dindin Santiago, 4 po ang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. Santiago. Here's Saet now. Contillas, blocked by Sabas. Tabaquero, top spin attack. Sabas is there. They go to Mina Aganon over the defense. Contillas, tawid. Papunta kay Tabaquero again.
And Tabaquero has been very effective here in this game.
16-11, Cagayan Valley up by 5 sa ating second technical timeout of set number 4. The serve. That's a bad set from Tina Salak actually.
Smelling some uncertainty on the side of Philippine Army at this point, ano? Mas tahimik din at saka nagkakaroon ng mga error itong Lady Troopers.
17-11, Tabaquero again. Up. That hits the net and it will stay behind the net. 17-12. Now Mina Aganon. Pineda. Saet. And there's a good attack there, but dug up there by Sasha Torres. Gonzaga, dug up there by Chi Saet. Contillas going to Sang Muang. Bautista, lusot sa depensa. At babalik na si King Balse. 4 na lang po ang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. As Mina Aganon will serve again. Ang kinakanta ni Barry kanina, Ace, Ace baby, kasi nagkaroon ng Ace. Si Vanilla Ice. Kaka-birthday lang din niya. 47 years old na rin si Vanilla Ice, ha?
Kilala pa kaya yun ng generation ngayon?
I'm sure sa mga retro. Oy! Gonzaga! Second ball! Andito nga pala yung dalawang reyna na second ball. Magkalaban dito. 17-14. 3 straight points now scored by the Philippine Army. Timeout, Nes Pamilar.
Kombinasyon, di ba? Bakit magdudulo? Isip ka. First play mo, okay? Kombinasyon. Ganun nga eh. Miss-receive, tsaka mo baguhin i-open mo, o kaya dulo dito. Pero sa unang play mo, magbigay ka muna ng ulan. So, pag na-receive mo maganda, tuloy ang play.
Excellent point there by Nes Pamilar. Hindi naman daw kargado yung mga serves nila, so bakit hindi nga magkombinasyon? This is the second ball strike from Jovelyn Gonzaga na tahimik on offense until now. 17-14. Mina Aganon serving out through the last 3 points. Pineda. Saet. Sang Muang. Naabangan doon ni Balse. Saet. Up for Pontillas. And Pontillas will miss.
That's called
Oh, now they
Oh.
changed the call. Puntos para dito. Overruled.
Best view, of course, ang ating first referee.
It looked like it was in anyway, pero yung unang senyas ng outside linesman is it was out.
It looked,
a line ball.
Oo. Pasok naman siya.
Oh.
Favoring the court.
18-14. Giselle C. pumasok. Kasama si Janine Marciano. So, full front line once again for Cagayan Valley. Served by C. Salak to Bautista. Lusot sa blockers, pero nandun si Tabaquero. C on the back set. Sangwang, nice defense from King Balse.
Right now, of course, when it matters the most, kailangan makahabol ng Philippine Army here in the fourth set. And they have to do it now bago pa tumungtong ng 20 itong Cagayan.
18-15, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Short serve. Giselle C. Quick set to Eulalio. Pineda is there. C. Marciano. Abang na abang si Tina Salak.
Single block.
It is down to 2 points from a high of 5. Or from a high of 6 points rather. Pontillas returns. Saet returns. Hindi na mahintay yung rotation na magbago pa.
Oo. Because, again, tulad ng sinabi mo, gusto ng Cagayan to end it in 4.
And the Shakey's meeting is powered by Motolite Battery. Pangmatagalan, Gonzaga.
Pangmatagalan tong game na to. Dahil
Ay,
mukhang
wag
madadagdagan
Wag kang ganyan.
ang puntos ni Noel Zarate.
Sabi naman ni Pachari Sangmuang, I have lakad. I have lakad. Uy, marunong na magtagalog yan.
Oo, magaling na nga magtagalog yan.
1916, kanina kumakain. I'm takaw, right? Sabi niya.
Actually, a lot of our Thai imports have easily learned the language of Tagalog.
Here's Bautista. Blocked there by Amporn. One more time around for Nene. Amporn is still there. Habol si Jovelyn Gonzaga. And a free ball given up by Tina Salak. Great effort there by Gonzaga. Side, running attack Amporn. Nandun naman si Aganon. Sasha Torres. Bautista. And stretched there by Tabaquero. Sangmuang. Saved by Gonzaga. Bautista. Ando naman si Pontilla. Saet. Amporn. Sasha Torres. From behind. Jovelyn Gonzaga. Long rally. Running attack. Amporn. Turn back. Still alive. Salak. Gonzaga. King Balse. Haba ng rally. Saet. Going to Sangmuang. And Sangmuang gets it.
Good coverage and defense from both teams. Pero tama ka, may lakad si Sangmuang. Gusto tapusin eh.
Si Gonzaga, dumi 4 na nung nakahiga. Para kailangan ko muna mag-relax pagkatapos nun.
Mahaba-haba yun eh. At hindi lahat, gumagalaw talaga
Yes,
sila.
ang dami niya sagip. Ito si Gonzaga. Pero dapat na pala ng puntos dito sa Cagayan Valley. They're up by 4. Eulalio. Aganon. Salak. Here is Saet now. Amporn. Amporn! Wrong foot, Sasha Torres.
It's right there in the middle. Again, yung sinasabi mong butas kanina.
Oo. Torres was going one way, the ball was going the other way. Timeout, Army. Here's that last drop. Makikita natin, Sasha Torres was already going towards the coverage. Pero naiwas ni Amporn sa blockers. Ano ba, Sasha Torres? Yan yung the spirit is willing but the body had no brakes. 21-16. Palitan ng tao dito. Michelle Carolino will see her first action of the game. At papasok kayo si Sarah Jane Gonzalez. So, what a substitution here para kay Coach Rico. 5 na sub niya. Ibig sabihin, isa na lang ang pwede.
At bukod siya, no, nabalasan na rin niya ng todo-todo yung kanyang anim on the floor.
Right. Hindi na nakakapaglaro para dito sa Philippine Army si Dalia Cruz. Torres with the reception. Aganon goes to Carolino, the former MVP. Here is Sang Wang off the block. Aganon gets to it. And it cannot be saved by Bautista. 22-16. 3 puntos na lang po ang kailangan itong Cagayan Valley to get game number 1. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Oh, wow. This could be a good start for the finals para sa Cagayan Valley.
Great block there by Saet against Carolino. Another good block, this time from Amporn. Gonzalez sending it to Balse down the middle. Saved by Sangmuang. Galing sa likod, Aiza Maizo. Aganon, Gonzalez, Carolino.
Oh!
Yes! The former MVP, kapapasok pa lamang.
Walang, malamig.
Wala.
Malamig.
Michelle Carolino, pagpasok agad, akala mo naka-warm up kanina pa.
Push button yan.
Yeah. 22-17. 5 pa rin po ang inahabol itong Lady Troopers. Good serve. Pineda gives it up. Pineda almost scores. Carolino. Santiago. Pineda again. Saet naitawid. Santiago. Tabakero. Saet running attack. Amporn. Binuhay ni Santiago. Carolino gives it up. Here is... Oh! Tumama kay Balse.
She knew it was on its way out.
Lalabas na yon.
Alam niya eh, sayang tumama sa kamay. Too late yung kanyang pagbaba ng kanyang hand.
Look at this, 2 points away ang Cagayan Valley from dealing Army their first loss of the season in Game 1 of the finals. Aganon, Gonzalez, Carolino, turn back, walang tao sa likod. We have 7 match points for Cagayan Valley.
And this is Cagayan, parang really fighting when it matters. Pagdating ng finals, hindi man nila nakuha yung panalo sa Philippine Army nung bago mag-finals.
Right.
Ngayon sila talaga nag-peak.
Can they do it now? Bautista, Binuhay, Saet, Tabakero!
Oh, not just yet.
Labas dila bigla si Kapitana.
The game is not yet over.
That's right. Still 6 match points, however. Bautista. Saet, running attack. Amporn, and that's it! Cagayan Valley takes game number 1 of the finals. And Mayor Dang Antonio celebrating. Unang pagkapanalo rito. Unang talo ng Philippine Army dito sa ating conference. As you take a look at our shaky shake and play, Amporn Ayapa able to get the final point of the match. Game 1 belongs to Cagayan Valley.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
We all text to everybody.
Trying it calls too many.
Made better with all they surfing. No tweeting and a tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so clean. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send to 8020 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
Talagang well-deserving, talagang naghirap. Nakita natin naghirap talaga ang ating best player of the game sa match natin yun. I'm with none other than Chi Saet. So Chi, previous games nyo against Army, you lost in 5 sets. But this time around, you were able to redeem yourselves and in 4 sets lang. So, anong ginawa differently ng Cagayan today para manalo in 4 sets?
Siyempre, una sa lahat, alam naman natin na malakas sila mag-serve and then malalaking tao. So, nag-concentrate kami sa attack coverage and then first, yung focus namin. Kasi most of the time, most of the previous game, madali kami na out of focus. Yun yung madalas na sinasabi ni Coach. Which is ngayon, I think mas nakafocus kami and then mas gusto naming manalo ngayon.
Kaya dahil dyan, syempre, you played very well. Shakey's has a special gift for you. And we wish you and the team good luck with the next few games. Back to you, Ana Noel.
Well, again, Chisay, 33 excellent sets and feeding everybody, making everybody happy, especially the whole team kasi nakuha nga nila yung pagkapanalo dito sa game number 1.
Tama, and I'm sure they will celebrate today's win, Noel.
And that will do it for us, mga kaibigan, on behalf of the Remulla Sisters. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!